Um, so ठीक है, we talked about physical health. We talked a little bit about why it is important to exercise. A little bit about if diet has a correlation with mental health. Let's talk about one last thing, okay? To tie this all together, a support system. Okay, so there are people who are extroverts. There are people who are introverts, right? I would like to ask first, Vedant, you, what essentially is your support system? Have you voluntarily or bina jane have you created a support system for yourself with people around you in some way which you didn't notice but is there?
So I would give a very cliche answer. My support system is my mom and dad. Like I talk to them daily. Literally रोज मैं उनसे 1 घंटे बात करता हूँ.
Okay.
Ever since I moved out from my home when I was 17, 18.
Right.
There hasn't been a day जब मैंने उनसे बात नहीं करी है.
Right.
Be it for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Usually it's an hour.
Right.
An hour of my day I do dedicate to them.
Okay.
And बेसिकली ऐसा हुआ था 9th क्लास में था मैं. एंड जब तुम बचपन में जवानी के जो तुम कांड वांड करते हो, लड़कियां वड़कियां छेड़ने वाले, लड़ाई वड़ाई वाले, वो थैंकफुली दोज हैपेंड विद मी व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 9th.
Right.
सो मेरे घर वालों के साथ जब वो शौक होता है ना, इनिशियल शौक होता है कि या तो तुम एंड आई एम द एल्डर सिबलिंग इन द फैमिली.
Yeah.
तो मेरे घर वाले दे ग्रो थ्रू इट विद मी एंड वेरी अर्ली.
Okay.
So ever since I was in class 11th, 12th, I had no reason to hide anything from them.
Okay.
I think probably one of the reasons why मुझे कुछ छुपाना नहीं पड़ा, तो मेरे को किसी झूठ की एंग्जाइटी नहीं हुई, मुझे कहानी नहीं बनानी पड़ी. And I shared everything with them. And as cliche as it might sound, that is where what you realize later in life कि तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा से और तुम्हारी immediate family से बड़ा support system I don't think there is. And that is the reason. हाँ, that is my support system. Tell them everything. Share everything with them.
But you have always done that. What would you say to somebody who hasn't done that with their parents, who hasn't shared or hasn't had long conversations every single day with their parents? How do you start? Because I'm sure people will be there who like don't.
Yes. I know. अरे मेरे खुद के दोस्त हैं यार जो अपने पेरेंट्स से बात नहीं करते. Like my best friend from school who is still, मतलब यहाँ पे लंदन में भी है मेरे साथ वो.
हाँ.
वो घर पे रहता है, वो अपने घर वालों से बात नहीं करता है पूरे दिन. कभी बात हो जाती है. तो I have friends who are like that.
हाँ. What would you suggest?
But I would advise कि बात करना शुरू कर दो यार. Like people have this fear कि once they tell their parents their secrets और they मतलब पेरेंट्स को कुछ बताएंगे जो पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता होना चाहिए, पेरेंट्स will react negatively. And of course 99% of the chances parents will. वो तुम्हें डांटेंगे, तुम्हें ग्राउंड कर देंगे, फोन छीन लेंगे. But I mean it is just the foundation of the trust that you need to have. But with that said, पेरेंट्स के साथ बात करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट. बट अगर तुम्हें फॉर वट एवर रीजन लगता है कि तुम पेरेंट्स से बात नहीं कर सकते, माई एडवाइस नंबर 1, ट्राई डूइंग दैट. पेरेंट्स आर आफ्टर ऑल योर पेरेंट्स. बट अगर वो नहीं हो सकता है, देन आई थिंक योर ओल्डेस्ट फ्रेंड्स वुड बी द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट बेट.
ओके. बिकॉज समटाइम्स ऐसा भी होता है ना कि not everyone's parents is very okay with or has a more liberal outlook towards life, right?
Yeah, true.
So you have to like find a balance. Would you recommend that? I'm sure you wouldn't recommend that you share all your secrets with your parents, right?
I would, like, because I do and it has helped me a lot in my life.
Okay.
क्योंकि पेरेंट्स से छुपा के कुछ, यार किस पेरेंट्स से तो छुपाते हो तुम चीजें, like 99% of the time if you tell everything to your parents, फिर पूरी दुनिया की टेंशन खत्म हो जाती है. लाइक मैं जब 9th में 10th में मैंने पहली बार ट्यूशन बंक करा था, तो मेरे को टेंशन ये थी कि किसी ने मेरे पापा को बता दी तो बहुत पिटाई होगी. एंड लकीली आई मीन दिस वाज इतना बड़ा कोइंसिडेंस, मेरे पापा ने उसी दिन मेरे को देखा जिस दिन मैंने ट्यूशन पहली बार बंक करा था. ही केम होम इन द इवनिंग एंड आस्क्ड मी कि आज तू ट्यूशन गया था, नहीं गया था. एंड आई जस्ट कुडंट लाई. आई जस्ट टोल्ड हिम एंड ही वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, मुझे अच्छा लगा तूने बताया, अगली बार अगर तेरे को करना हो तो मेरे को बता के करियो, ऐसे पीठ पीछे छुपाने से कुछ होता नहीं है. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, दैट मेक्स सेंस, मैं बता दिया करूंगा अगली बार से. एंड ऑल ऑफ दी स्मॉल इंस्टेंसेस वेयर पेरेंट्स हैव बीन सपोर्टिव, और इसमें पेरेंट्स का भी बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है. पेरेंट्स आर नॉट सपोर्टिव, वो तुम्हें डांट देते. अगर मेरे पापा आते ही मेरे को बेल्ट से बजाने लग जाते तो फिर मैं कभी नहीं बताता उनको आगे चीज़ें. तो आई मीन इट्स अ वेरी स्लिपरी स्लोप. तो बड़ा रिस्की होता है. माई एडवाइस वुड बी स्टार्ट शेयरिंग, ग्रेजुअली समझ जाएंगे as early as you can. But if you can't, of course, then you have to have a support system. You have to have at least a couple of friends that you can confide in. Okay. And I think वो दोस्त ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल होता है जिनके साथ तुम इतना comfortable हो सकते.
True. कुछ लोगों के लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है, कुछ लोगों के लिए नहीं होता. I think there are people who like I started with saying that some people are extroverts, some people are introverts, some people find it very easy to make friends, some people have a very tough time with that. Okus, what do you think?
Yeah.
Support system के basis में.
Let's talk about parents first.
Okay.
Vedant said बहुत सही बात बोला. When you share everything with your parents, life becomes so much more easier.
Yeah, definitely. Okay.
I remember having my first girlfriend and मेरी mom को पता चल गया था. And my mom, being from a small village, she was not very happy with it. But I'm in a relationship right now. It's been 2 years, and my mom knows about it, and she has met my girlfriend, and she's very happy with her. And so, like, as you grow, your parents grow too. You need to like, I think a lot of the time you realize you don't realize that your parents are as equally flawed as you are, or anybody else for that matter.
Right.
They do not know what they're doing. They do not know, because for them, even like life जो अब एक ही बार उन्होंने भी सिर्फ एक ही बार जी है,
एक ही बार बच्चों को पाला है. राइट.
एक ही बार बच्चों को पाला, उनको नहीं है एक्सपीरियंस. मतलब हाँ, अगर सिबलिंग्स है तो थोड़ा बहुत होगा, पर लाइक एज अ होल, लाइक दे डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग.
Right.
So instead of I think a lot of kids and everybody has this image of an absolute. Your parents, what they are is what they will always be.
And this also, there is this attitude of हमारे parents हैं तो they are like the superiors. उनसे गलती हो ही नहीं सकती. They are like the ideal self.
Yeah, and instead of doing that, take a step back, look in the hindsight and see, understand that they are equally as flawed as you are. And I think that makes it very much easier, because if you realize it, if you realize that your parents are flawed, they will realize that you have realized, so they will not have to pretend to know everything, to have an answer to everything, because that happens a lot of the time. Parents have to pretend that they know what the fuck they're doing.
No.
They're inside,
so you
panicking.
said something very interesting. If your parents knew that you recognize that their children recognize the flaw in them as human beings, then
elaborate.
Then they can, I think, realize ki, oh, I don't have to role play as the superior ideal, which I should be role playing as. I can be the person's peer, like speak to them openly.
Yeah,
right?
And many times it's gonna
backfire.
It's gonna be like, not only backfire, it'll be like, I think especially the males of the house, this happened with my father.
Right.
It is very hard to let go of that क्या कहते हैं, pedestal that you are on.
Right.
That you've been, because obviously you're scared, यार. ये होता ही है कि मतलब, so I step down from this absolutism. Whatever I say is the rule, and like, because you've been doing it over the years, it becomes a habit of doing it. So like so that conscious change is very difficult, because subconsciously you've been this guy who just, whatever I say is the word, is the law, you know. So
that idea, that thought ki okay, you're conscious of you playing the role of an ideal, but you're not the ideal yourself. That thought itself shows ki, you're not the ideal. You can never be. You're just playing a part. It's an act.
Yeah, and it comes into this thing that I've read about. I don't know you guys know about it or not. It's called cognitive dissonance.
Cognitive dissonance, yes, I know.
Yeah.
So basically, it's a battle between you and your ideal self.
Right.
So your parents are constantly battling with themselves, wanting to become their ideal self.
Right.
And it's funny, like, once you know about your problems, you would think it's easier to act upon them, but it's equally as difficult. So now you already know that you have a problem, but you have no solution to it, which becomes like so
liberating.
Not only it's दिमाग में फंसता है वो. You have imagine you have extremely low self-esteem, but you have how do I fucking fix this? How do I fix this? You know, it constantly becomes that. So, but getting back to the main point of the question is, so I before, like, I would like to explain, tell a incident that happened with me and my parents, and it was like कि क्या हुआ था? Wait, give me a second. So my mother, I remember कि जब भी हम लोग पहले we used to discuss the problems that either I am having in my school or my brother is having, or in general, it used to be like, okay, so I will discuss this with my mother, but it won't be a discussion. She will give me an answer, and that's it.
Right.
But when you start pretending, or at least not pretending, at least know that your parents are equally as flawed and they realize it as well, it becomes more of a conversation. So, Mom, I have this XYZ problem. She gives an answer. I'm like, do you think this is it? And she's like, well, what do you think? And then that becomes a conversation. I think that's a very healthy relationship to have with your parents. But I wouldn't say my support system is my parents, because they are, just as I said, are obviously equally as flawed. And because of the generation gap that I have, my parents are quite old when compared to others. My parents, my mom is 55, my dad is 58. So obviously they're kafi old, and it's hard for them to understand what I do in general or my life when compared to other children. I'm very introverted and very internet based, and they don't understand that, which is fine, obviously. But for me, there are two support systems. One is myself, where I keep on telling myself that, you're the fucking best, you can go ahead, go fucking kill it, bagera.
Tell us about it.
I have that. I would suggest everybody should have the thing, because because I didn't have that somebody who would be like, you have the fucking best. In fact, I had my parents were like, you need to play safe. You're not the fucking best. We do not have enough money. That's because that's an Indian household. We do not have enough money. You have to score well. If you don't score well, we're gonna fucking fail. Do you want to fail? Do you want to end up in jail? Do you understand what happens in jail? Then fuck you. They literally that's what happened.
Wow.
So for me, it's my girlfriend who. So if we discuss with each other where it's like it's okay. Things fail. You fail. You learn. You get up. You go again. You fail. You learn. You get up. Go again. Keep on doing it. That's the thing. You have to keep on doing it. That's how you learn. Everything is skill. And in my mind, there I am like, you're the fucking best. You can do this. Obviously, you can do this. What happened? Fail हो गया तो ठीक है ना, कोई बात नहीं. वापस कर. So that is my support system rather than my parents. My parents are still my great friends. I love them to death. But I would say that my girlfriend has a lot more like spine of the support system.
Very interesting.
Which is fair.
Yeah, which is fair, obviously. Yeah, it doesn't have to be like it's okay. It's okay. I still like. It's not like I'm disregarding my parents. They're still great people. It's just I don't think they're at the current stage equally enough equipped to handle what I deal with on the daily basis.
Right.
That's what I would say.
Right.
Yeah, they're not.
Sometimes there comes a point in your life where you realize ki, fine, my parents, I kept them in a pedestal for a very long time in my life. But one day you go to your guardian. Yeah. Some people don't have parents, right? You go to your guardian, angel or whatever, and you ask them a question, and then they don't answer back, or they are not able to, and you realize ki, hey, I thought you knew everything. And it's like the guardian, it's not a mirror anymore. Yeah. It's not a reflection anymore. It's the actual person.
It's so funny, Rav or Vedant, ki like a lot of the time when you realize this, it's unintentional, and that usually leads into the rebellious phase that a lot of the kids have in their teens, where they resent their parents and everything. Did you guys have that? I don't think Vedant had that, but Rav,
No, I did, Baba. I told you, I had that very early.
अच्छा.
Which was lucky for me कि मेरे साथ वो मेरी teenage में early हो गया. If it would have happened
how long,
late,
like so you're saying 9th में start हुआ, 9th में ही खत्म हो गया.
9th में start हुआ, 10th में खत्म हो गया. Like all that I went through, then I like a lot of very good coincidence happened, right? Like I saw young kids doing वो जो कमलेश वाला whitener snort करना,
what
लगाना. Wow. So that put me off for ये drugs करने से मेरे को put off हो गया.
Yeah.
Then my dad was very open कि दारू सुट्टा नहीं पीना है, बाकी तेरे को जो करना है कर. And drugs से मैं already नहीं करता था, तो that put me off from there as well. मेरी जिंदगी में बस एक प्रॉब्लम होती है जो मेरे ख्याल से हर मेरठ के लड़के में होती होगी. लड़की लड़ाइयाँ बहुत होती हैं. वो भी मैंने 8th 9th 10th में निपटा दी. तो by the time I actually ended up into that 16 17 18 का एज, मेरे पे करने को ये रिबेलियस चीजें बची नहीं थी.
Right.
So that is how that relationship developed quicker than what most people go through.
What about you, Ralph? Both of your parents are doctors, so
Yeah, both my parents are doctors. They were never like, my mom was doing her PG most of my teenage years. And my dad obviously was working from 9 o'clock to like 12 o'clock at night and coming back home. But I think मैं घर का बड़ा बेटा हूँ and I come from a joint family. Rebellious, I wouldn't say I was rebellious. I was very introverted, man. I was always in my room by myself. I had a lot of मैं बाहर ही था. बदमाशी करने के लिए बाहर जाना पड़ता है. ठीक है, लाइक स्कूल के बच्चों से लड़ना पड़ता है. Of course I got bullied in school, but since I never really shared a lot with my parents, I never told them as much. एक दो बार बोला होगा. And of course like they try to get the situation and handle it very very carefully, but most of the times I did not want to do it because I wanted to do it take care of things by myself, because I think staying by myself made me like the, what do you call it, desolate is a very negative word, but I feel like मुझे अच्छा लगता है थोड़ा खुद से, हाँ, खुद से रह के चीज़ें करना थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. I never had like close friends in school as such. College में दोस्त बन गए बहुत अच्छे. But I was still even in college I was that kid who would like, you know, wing में एक बच्चा होता है जो थोड़ा distance maintain खुद अपने में रहता है थोड़ा. That kid always, and I preferred it for some reason. And ऐसा नहीं है कि क्या बोलते उसको, I don't want to socialize. I envy. What is the positive word for envy? Like I admire people who are extroverts and who are like great in social scenarios, because I also want to be that, because my grandfather was extremely social and I always like looked up to him and I wanted to be everything that he was. But yeah, I think support system, that's why I asked you guys, because I didn't understand the concept of a support system until very recently. And I've never had that or never needed it. I don't know. But that is basically it, man. Like, that's how my teenagers were.